As the Guyana Women's Leadership Institute continues to take its training workshops around the country, Bartica was the most recent stop. At a two-day workshop, women were encouraged to take up leadership roles. Leticia Isaacs has the details.
Minister Annette Ferguson said she was happy to see a large turnout of women at the workshop. She also noted that the level of interest expressed is a direct indication of their willingness to be involved in community development and local government positions, a field usually dominated by men.
It really touched my heart to see a lot of women in this room. That in itself is saying something to us that women are indeed ready to take up leadership roles in their respective communities and by extension their country.
From its establishment in 1997, the Institute has been making significant contribution to the women's development across all 10 regions of our country. Regional Chairman Gordon Bradford.
The law stipulates that you must have a certain percentage of women in the councils, whether it's the mayor and town council, it's the regional democratic council, or in government itself. And I think that this session today is to bring information and to enlighten our women, especially the roles that they can also play in leadership.
The Guyana Women's Leadership Institute is an agency of the Social Protection Ministry. From the township of Bartica with senior videographer Kenny Ann Bacchus, Leticia Isaacs for InfoHub.